So the first part in the Python will be the print statement. So basically print is a function which is used to display the output on the console or terminal. So it can take even one or more arguments also, which can be variable also, values or expression, and it will just print them. Let's see now the practical usage how to with print statement. So as I told, print is a function, so it will take argument. So argument can be anything, whatever the string you want to display in the console. So if I'm going to print hello Ram and then let's run it, right click and then you can see hello Ram is going to print in the console. I told it can take multiple arguments, right? So let's see now. We can see first hello Ram is printed and then hello John is printed. So it can take any sequence of strings and it will print them. Basically it's just a string array of characters.